Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making funnel cake.
Okay, really easy one. This starting with some plain flour, baking powder, and salt. Give it a whisk together. Loads of whisking going on in this video as well. Um, but all we're doing here is making a very simple batter. So we've got some milk, 2 eggs, and a little bit of sugar and vanilla extract. Give that a good whisk around. And add that gradually to your flour. So it's all whisked in, and that is it. Honestly, that's how you make the funnel cake batter. The rest of this video, I'm making like a custard, so you can skip to 3 minutes 47 seconds if you just want to see that batter frying. But if you want to see the custard being made, here we go. So we start with some eggs, which we're going to separate. Just get the egg yolks out. So we need 4 egg yolks. Showing here how you can do it. You just can use the shells, passing it back and forth. Just hold it between your fingers. Let any of that white run off. Always separate them over over a bigger bowl where the whites are going to end up, because if one does break in there, it doesn't matter. You know, you can do another one. Some sugar, corn flour, and some double O type flour. And some double cream. Just half of it there, just to get it combined, and we'll add the remaining half in a second. There you go, give that a really good whisk around. Get it all combined. And all you were looking for here is just taking out lumps, keeping it smooth all the time. So we're adding milk, whole milk, all the quantities down in the description as always. Whisking, more and more whisking in this one. If you like the videos, please hit like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe if you want to. Or massively appreciate it if people subscribe. But again, you don't have to at all. But thank you for watching anyway. Add your egg yolks one at a time. There you go, it's all combined. Nice colour change there, look at this. It's basically custard, basically a really sweet vanilla custard. Pan on the stove. Medium heat. Start whisking and don't stop whisking. About 10 minutes. You can't stop. That's the only trick here. You just cannot stop whisking it. Not to do it too quick, just gentle stir. This obviously sped up. Like I say, about 10 minutes, because you don't want any of that egg to curdle. You want it to stay super smooth. And look how thick it gets. Lovely. Add some vanilla essence. Butter. You can add the proper vanilla if you want, of course, but just add extracts here. And there you go. You can put that in the fridge. Use it straight away, of course, if you want. Lovely warm. But you can put that in the fridge. Use it for the next 2 days, if it lasts that long. Vegetable oil, we're going to fry at 180 degrees. That's our batter from before. If you're just joining us, if you skipped watching the custard, that's the batter from before. Just do it in a wiggly shape all over the place. Fill in any gaps with batter. Frying this for a couple of minutes, a minute each side, flip it over. You want the temperature just right, 185, so it goes lovely and crispy on the outside, really light and fluffy in the middle. It doesn't burn at all. There you go, take it out, drain it on a paper towel, and then serve it basically however you like. I'm going to serve mine with, well, obviously you're going to put icing sugar on. Have these at American Fairgrounds. And yeah, I'm doing it with this custard, this lovely sweet custard, and some jam. But you could put anything on there. Imagine chocolate or cream or anything. What are you thinking? It's really nice. I'd never had one before. I saw it on a YouTube and I was like, yeah, love the look of that. Absolutely delicious, super easy. I really hope you enjoy making it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.